Hi friends, thank you so much for clicking this video. Few people are asking me how to get the relief letter from the organization. If you are in client code, if you are reporting to your client, if you resign at the time, you need to serve notice period at least 2 months to 3 months. Okay. As usual, every MNC is following this rule. But your organization will pay you if you are allocated in the bench code. Okay. So if you are in bench, if you resign, you may request quick relieving letter and quick release from the organization. Within 15 days, they will allow you to move to next organization within 15 days with proper relieving letter as per the organization guideline. Okay. So follow these tricks. If you are in bench, try to get the request relief letter positively, humbly. Definitely your HR people will allow you to move to next organization with proper relieving letter. Okay. If you face any background verification related problem, you can approach to me. My email ID and UPI ID available in this video description. And all the very best. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.